It is Monday. I know that it has been long, guys. I came to give you updates. I think it's over 2 weeks now that I actually uploaded video. I'm sorry, forgive me, okay? I'll try my possible best to resume, but I'm not promising videos every day. I'll try my possible best to put in at least, even if it's 3 times in a week or twice in a week for now. Until my mother-in-law's burial is over, then I can really settle down and start pushing out clips, videos back to back. So guys, if you have not uploaded video, you are wrong. If you have not started doing everything possible in your best to get watch hour, you are wrong. I want you to know that nobody can literally help you handle your YouTube channel if it is not you. You are the only one that can make your YouTube channel come to pass. There are new updates that are already on YouTube, those updates that are already demonetizing channels, and I'll try my possible best to film the video and put it out for you guys here, because this update has literally demonetized one of my girls' channel and has literally terminated one of my woman's channel. So I'll try my possible best to feed you guys with the update so that at the end of the day you guys will be updated. I know that we left on a zoo whereby a lot of people do not even think that Vibe with Sonia is coming back to film a video, but yeah, I will, okay. Another thing that actually kept me this long is my exams. So yeah, I wrote my last paper yesterday, to the glory of God and to the shame of the devil. So we are going to come back with videos back to back where a lot of people will actually be getting updates east, west, north and south. But if you have not uploaded video today, you are wrong. If you're still thinking that YouTube is not for you, you are wrong. I know how the struggle is. I know that a lot of people are struggling so hard to get their channel monetized, and that a lot of people are even monetized, but to cash out that money down to your account is a very big issue. But I want to tell you that if it is not happening now, it doesn't mean that it's not going to happen in the future, right? You will definitely be cashing out on your YouTube channel. Even with this few period of me not uploading videos, I was still able to get something out of YouTube. And even when I saw the revenue, I was like, whoa, I didn't really know this. It simply means my videos are still doing the job for me, and that's the beautiful part of YouTube, that you are not here but your videos will still keep doing the job for you, which is your old videos will still keep doing the job for you. It simply means that every single videos that you are uploading, do not give up on them. They are not videos that are going to be wasted. Even if they are not giving you the revenue now, they can still give you revenue in the future. But still know what you are uploading here. A lot of people right now are not in the business of coming to just watch you without gaining anything. Make sure every single content you're bringing, they are content that has value, they are content that has that are educative, they are content that at least people will actually gain one or two things. If you check out a lot of channels that are not successful today, are channels that, as long as people are going there, they don't literally have anything to benefit. So they're not going to subscribe, they're not going to comment, they're not going to share. But if you keep doing what you know how to do best and you keep pushing out valuable content, trust me, people are coming to watch you without you having to bother your head or having to stress yourself. Okay, so if you've not gotten 1,000 watch hour, there are different means now that you can get watch 1,000 subscribers, even the 4,000 watch hour, and by the special grace of God, I'll be doing those videos gradually, but just give me time so that I can be able to balance and start doing videos for you guys every day. Anyways, subscribe, like, comment and share. And yeah, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be Simba, and I'll see you guys in my next one. I missed you guys so much.